Hey, it's Joe with Vive Health. Today I have the Arctic Flex Ice Knee Brace. It's a really popular product and it's awesome for anybody suffering from knee pain, recovering from injuries. And I want to show you guys a common question just about how to put it on. So I'm putting it on standing up. You can put it on standing up, sitting down, it really doesn't matter. I like to do it standing up, but if you're recovering from an injury, you may not be able to. So the first thing you're going to want to do is always put it when your knee is straight as you could possibly get it, because that's going to be the relaxed position and it's going to prevent any additional gaps. When your knee is bent, it's kind of awkward. So you're going to have that knee straight and you're going to focus on the center straps first. And if you guys have the brace already, the cold pack goes all the way around the back and there's 2 cold packs in the front. So you really get complete coverage of the knee, front and back. So you got those center ones and that's going to hold the brace up already. But we still got 2 more straps to put on. So this is nice to have if you have an injured knee, but you don't want to be sitting on the couch, or even if you do want to be sitting on the couch and you want to keep it in the correct position and not have it moving around. So I've strapped up the bottom one, the top one, the center one, and this thing isn't going anywhere. So that's how you put on the Arctic Flex cold knee brace. Any other questions? Leave them in the comments. I'll definitely answer them. Thanks a lot for checking the video out.